Ever wonder what it would feel like if learning could be an adventure? Well, the answer is right at your fingertips with the X-Maker, a 3D printer that's about to revolutionize your world of education and family bonding. The X-Maker isn't just another 3D printer. It's your passport to a universe of unlimited possibilities. Whether you're a young learner, a creative enthusiast, or a parent looking for quality family time, the X-Maker is your all-in-one solution. Age is just a number with the X-Maker. It's the perfect companion for the young at heart, and everyone in between. Got big ideas as a student, or perhaps a parent with a knack for DIY? The X-Maker is your partner in creativity, offering a clear path to bring your dreams to life. The X-Maker is intuitive and kid-safe, making 3D printing easy and fun. Its generous build volume allows you to create everything from functional parts to artistic marvels without any constraints. And with its quiet and sustainable operation, it ensures peace in your classroom and household while respecting our planet. Join our X-Maker Schools community and share your projects, connect with fellow creators, and explore new horizons. But why choose the X-Maker? Because it's not just a tool, it's a catalyst for interactive, hands-on education. It sparks curiosity and knowledge growth in young minds. It brings families closer than ever, helping them create, learn, and bond together. And it's a canvas for your imagination, enabling you to create practical projects or artistic wonders. The X-Maker is your gateway to unlocking creativity, innovation, and shared learning for the whole family. Whether you're a student, educator, or a creative enthusiast, it's time to begin a new chapter in your journey. Order your X-Maker 3D printer now and step into a world where fun, learning, and creativity intersect. Your journey begins with the X-Maker. Are you ready to create, learn, and explore? Get your X-Maker 3D printer today and let the school and family adventure commence.